Yo, yo, yo. What is good? What is cooking? What is in the house, man? We are back once again with some more mobile app development. Yes, this time we're continuing on Gigachad Sigma app series. Also welcome Clunk. Yes, we are here once again doing the iOS mobile dev thing. Yes, we kind of swap it up between like a little bit like the whatchamacallit, the mega gaming and the iOS kind of deal. But yeah, we like to do a little bit of both around here. But yeah, that's what we've been working on. Little app to tell you how Sigma and Gigachad you are based on like your mewing score. It's kind of like a face rating app, but also like there's like pickup line AI thing. It's a little bit of a toolkit, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But without further ado, let's jump into it, shall we? I think so. I think so. But yeah, here we are, and here we are with Sigma Gigachad app with our little yippee friends. Yeah, although Mr. Stream Elements here, he's uninvited. Let's see if we can get rid of Mr. Little small friend. Yeah, but oh yeah, and I have these little yippies at the bottom because I made a little yippee app, which is based on a little yippee meme, interweb meme. But yeah, we've got our little friends here. We make our own friends. But yeah, that is what we've got going on. Yeah. But oh yeah, let's also swap the musicas. Yes, because we like the goodies, the goody things. But yeah, I quite like the mobile app dev thing. It is very good. Yeah, it is kind of like one of my favorite types of app development. I've done like some web stuff before and other kind of things, but definitely mobile, I would say, is my favorite. Yeah, just because it's fun to have little things in your pockets that you've made. It's quite good, I would say. But yeah, definitely, I like it more than other types of dev, personally. But yeah, we like it. It is the good style, the good thing. But yeah, the plan for this stream, I think we're gonna try and like redesign one of our views. So I've got like a pickup line view for pickup lines, and yeah, we're gonna swap it out with something. So here's our pickup line view. We've got, it's just like a form field where you can type in your pickup line, and we're gonna add some like AI thing here to kind of take whatever pickup line you entered and improve upon it. Yeah, so we've got like whatever original pickup line you've done and improved version below. And yeah, I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of this view, so we're gonna change it to be like a tab view where you can see like the history of the quotes you had, or like the pickup lines, and this other view will be for like actually entering them. So you can kind of like tab between them, so it's not all in like one kind of view. I think that'll work pretty good. But yeah, let's try this kind of style and see where we go, see where we're headed. I would say. But yeah. Oh yeah, let's get rid of this friend. He's uninvited. This one. Ah, there we go. little extra stream elements, yippee. But yeah, that's what I'm planning. And actually, I'll go over like a guide for this. We'll do a little bit of a guide because I haven't done like kind of top tabs before. I'll show like I've done some other different tabs for the mobiles. Like here we go. Here is tab root view where we've got these extra tabs at the bottom, but there's like a different style of tabs you can do at the top, which I'll go with that one. I think that'll look a little better, I think. But yeah, we've been doing the thing. We've been going. Yeah. Oh yeah, also new small addition to stream. We've got a little dancing friend to help us jam out. I'll show him. He's hiding, but we'll bring him out. Look at that! a little awoo to help us with the jammies. We do a little jammies, but yeah, we'll go extra jammy style with the Sigmas, and do some jamming out. But yeah, let's show guide for the kind of tabs, things that I'm thinking on implementing inside this pickup lines view. Yeah, here we go. Here's pickup lines, and we'll do extra tab style. So let me show what I'm thinking. Yeah. I think it'll look a little better. I'm still kind of like a bit rusty on the whole like UI design stuff, but I think this kind of tab style is pretty widely used across a lot of different apps, so I think it'll look nice. But yeah, here's what we're going with. This kind of tab style. Yeah. So instead of like the view on the right, like up above me, we'll go with this like tab view on the left, and I think it'll look a little nicer. Yeah. Except the thing about Swift UI is, which is the framework I'm using, I use the Swift UI. They don't really support this out of the box. We gotta do some kind of like custom view to do little tabs at the top, like this like music and movies thing, where you can kind of swipe left and right between the different tab views. So we'll do this kind of thing and follow this guide, because I've not yet done it before, but once we do it once, we'll have a reference in our repertoire, our Swiss Army knife of views and things to go back on if we ever want to do it for future projects. But yeah, I think this'll be pretty good. But let's check out what things we need to do to get this kind of view in. So we need new tab thing, new file, new SwiftUI thing with tabs. It is good, the good style. Yeah. But yeah, I don't want to just like copy it. I want to like understand first, so we kind of don't blindly go into it. But let's take a look at how they're doing this. So they've got struct tab, they've got an image and a title, which is like, I'm guessing this stuff with the image for like the little symbol and the title here for like the actual like tab itself. I think that'll be good. And then what else do we have? We have tabs view. So we've got scroll view, horizontal scroll view. So I'm guessing we can like swipe left and right. I think that's what that is. Yeah. We'll have a like swipe left and right feature. And then I guess this reader thing. What is this proxy? Scroll to target. Oh, I think they do calculations. They like calculate where to scroll to. Yeah. And then we've got content inside of it. VStack, HStack with some buttons for selecting tab, label with items inside. Yes, okay. I think I understand. That seems to be. And then okay, this is where you call it. So you have tab thing with image and title and other kind of styles. But yeah, I think this kind of checks out. This all kind of makes sense in the zone. But let's see. Let's make these views then. So I'll yoink this because I think we kind of understand it now, and then we'll kind of change it to suit our needs. That is the style we go with. So let's do this kind of deal. So we'll create a new, maybe like a supporting view, and we'll call it like, I don't know, what shall we call this? Perhaps a tabs. That's what they call it, like tabs. I'll do like pop swiping tabs. Yeah, and we'll like reuse it. Well, let's go with what they've got and see what we need to keep and what we can take out. Cause yeah, I think that'll go pretty dandily. Pretty fine and dandily, I would say. Oh yeah, look at that. They've already got like the tabs here. Although you can't really swipe between them. Probably because it's root view thing. So that's kind of what I'm feeling. Yeah, let's see though. Because we want to do custom thing. They've got color here. Yeah, let's change it to how we want to do it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking we can take out this kind of stuff. We'll do like a book here maybe for like history. I want to do like a place where you can see past pickup lines, and then a place where you enter them. Maybe like this kind of deal. Perhaps. Well, let's get the right symbols that we want. So we need pencil thing. Yeah, this kind of deal. System image pencil. We'll go with this. Just for the example. And then we'll do a little book kind of deal for history. I think that'll look a little better. But yeah, let's do that. So I actually don't know what the book is, so we'll go to our SF Symbols app, which is like a little repertoire of Apple icons that Apple has provided in a separate program. I think there's like a couple thousand icons they've made, but we can use them for our own purposes. Let us acquire the Apple icons to suit our needs. Let's do this. So let's get the old classic, the old friend, the SF Symbols in here, and we'll get some goodies. I think some goodies. Yeah. Here we go. Here's our friend, the SF Symbols. Let's find like a book icon. Yeah, something like that I think will help. So let's search for book thing, like book, something to represent like history, probably. Maybe book.phil or book, either or. That kind of feels like a history thing to me. Yeah, so we just need like the name below it, like book.phil or book. Yeah. And now that we have this in our brain, we can put it here. Book.phil. Look at that. We've got like a little book here. Yeah, so thankfully we don't have to like draw these images ourselves. Yeah, like Apple comes with this whole repertoire of these like common symbols that are used in a lot of apps. Yeah. Oh, hello First Tower, welcome. We are here working on some more Gigachad Sigma app development. Yeah, right now we're doing some like pickup line view modifications. Yeah, we're making it look a little better. But welcome. Yeah, we're gonna be updating like this view here. Yeah, because I'm not like the hugest fan of how it looks right now. This whole like we've got like a place to enter pickup lines and then like the previous ones we've done below it. Yeah, we're gonna swap it out a little bit with some kind of like tab kind of view. I think it'll look better. But yeah, I hope you've been doing well. Yeah, we've definitely been going. Yeah. Well, let's see how we can modify our things. Oh yeah, also, yeah. Oh yeah, the little things on the bottom. Yeah, good question, First Tower. Those are like I think it's based on like who's chatted in the last 10 minutes. Yeah, it's not based on watching. It's like chatters. Yeah, I think it's like last 10 or like 15 minutes or something of chatting, and then like it goes away after if you're inactive. Yeah, that kind of deal. But yeah, that's what we've got at the bottom. Yeah, it's really cool. It's called Stream Avatars. Yeah, one of the people I like a lot uses it. Yeah, his name is Pirate Software. He also uses it, but with like little ferrets. But we've got little yippies at the bottom instead because we made a little yippie app, and I thought it was very fitting to have little yippies at the bottom. Yeah, yippee. Yeah, that's right, First Tower. The little yippies. Yeah, maybe I'll show the yippie app. I think I've got it on my simulator. But yeah, that is what it is based off of. Like it's the same images that I put in my app too. I just ported them over to this plugin. But yeah, let me show little yippies at the bottom and what reference we did for this. Yeah, we'll show them on the old iPhone 15 Plus simulator. Yes. Oh yeah, I've got it here. Yeah, here we go. Here's little... Oh, actually, that's the Gigachad app. That's the one we're currently doing. And I'll show a little yippie reference. Yeah. Look, we've got little yippies here. Yeah, so I made this app, this little Adventures of Yippee, which is actually out on the App Store if you really want to play it. I'll shill it a little bit. But yeah, I made this app with these little yippee creatures because they're quite little fun bundles of joy, and I thought, why not make an app out of them? Yeah, we like the big mega memes and making the apps out of the memes. So yeah, I have these little yippies here, and you can see the little animation is the same as the ones at the bottom. I yoinked. I did a little self-yoinking of the Yippee assets and put them in an extension. So now the friends of the stream can be their own little Yippies. But yeah, it's actually based off of this game, the little yippies. Yeah, and where you can fight against the enemy yippies and become the true yippie master. Yeah, but this is what we've got. Yeah, I love it. Hey, thanks for Star. Yeah, I have plans also to like modify this extension. It's so good. I appreciate it. Yeah, I have plans also. So you know, like in this here's the Yippee mobile game, and how they have little like weapons. Like the little Yippies can come with like sticks and bats and swords. And like right now, I'm holding like a slingshot. But we can have like a laser gun or a bow and arrow. I'm thinking on giving the little Yippies at the bottom in the extension the weapons. Yeah, I think it'll be pretty good, and have them fight each other like randomly. It'll be like infinite fights. Yeah, it's one of my favorite memes. Oh, nice. Yeah, I quite like it too. I liked it so much. We made a little app on it. But yeah, I'm thinking on giving the little Yippies at the bottom some weapons. But yeah, that'll be a little bit of a extra thing, because I don't think the extension natively supports that kind of stuff, but they allow you to do like Lua scripts. So I can maybe write my own script to have them hold weapons and fight each other with little like health bars, and I don't know, maybe if we get like redeems and stuff, we can do like swap weapons or swap skin. Yeah, I think that'll be kind of cool. But yes, it is. We tie the little Yippies to our little Yippie app. Yeah, and it is quite quaint. I think I quite like it. But yeah, oh yeah, look, we've got little Yippie with the sword. Yeah, I think there's also some with like ray guns. Yeah, depending on like how far you travel in the game, like the Yippies start getting stronger weapons. Yeah, like this ray gun, he's shooting laser beams at me, but it hurts. We gotta get past him. But good thing we can just stay on this little bridge and snipe him to death. Yeah, we're extra cheap that way. But yeah, we've got some plans. We got some goodies planned for the things. But yeah, it is pretty good. We got some goodies. But yeah. Oh yeah, actually also I was planning on doing an update to Yippee app. We're gonna do secret update. I'll mention it here, but we'll I don't know, I might stream like adding it, but I'm gonna probably do like a Halloween update. So I've got like these little colorful skins for the Yippies, and have this special one which is like outer space cosmic Yippee. But I'm thinking on doing like some spooky Yippies. I'm planning on probably adding some like spooky ones, like vampire Yippee or zombie Yippee. I think it'll look pretty spooky for the holiday season. Yeah. Well, let's try something like this. I think that'll be pretty good. But yeah, I'm thinking on maybe doing that, and like also changing the background. It's like in the Yippee game we have this little castle background, but maybe I can add like feature to the shop, or you can buy different backgrounds. Yeah, and we can do Halloween spooky background with spooky Yippee skins. I think that'll look pretty nice. But yeah, these are the plans. These are the things we've got planned. But yeah, that's where the Yippies come from. the meme, but also the app, and now at the bottom. Yes, the Yippies like to travel a little bit. We give them little steppies to travel with. But yeah, we like the Yippies around here for sure. Yeah. But yeah, that is what we've got. And now we're working on other meme app, which is Gigachad and Sigma and this kind of stuff. Yeah, I've done some other meme apps before, but now we've graduated to Gigachad, Giga-Riz app. Yeah, and I say yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, we like to do the cool things around here. Yeah, the funny goodies. Yeah, we like this kind of deal. Yeah, getting your skills to be improved. Oh, that's exactly right, First Star. Yeah, like I try and make it like my goal with like every app to try and like learn something new. That is the kind of goal that I go with. But yeah, like because I normally make like pretty small apps, like pretty micro micro meme apps, but like at least I try and like do something different with each of them, even if it's like pretty small, even if it's like a very small change. Like I want to try and learn like something new with each of them. Yeah, like I think this Gigachad app, I'm learning quite a bit because I normally make like mobile games. Like I've made like a little yippee game, and I've done a lot of mega meme apps. But this one's kind of more like a utility kind of app, because it'll be like you can take a picture of your face, and then you get like a Sigma score rating. But it's a whole different like style of app than what I'm used to making. So I think I'll pick up a lot of new skills from this. Yeah, especially like these little tabs at the bottom. That is like something I haven't tried before. Yeah. And yesterday I stayed up way too late and worked on my project at work to push and fix up as much as I could. Oh, nice first hour. Yeah, I'm kind of like that. I'm like way more into my own personal projects than like what I'm actually working on at work. Yeah, I don't know. There's more passion and fun, I think, in making your own things than like, I don't know, building someone else's vision, I suppose. Yeah, that is what I feel. Always nice to have your own projects to come back to and work on. Yeah, that is the good style for sure. But yeah, you like to hear it. I'm very much of a similar mindset. But yeah, we like to do this kind of stuff, this kind of deal and thing. But yeah. We've made little meme apps. Yeah, let me show what progress we've made on this Gigachad Sigma app so far, and kind of what I'm thinking on changing for it this stream. Yeah, we'll show the mega Giga Sigma Riz app. Oh wait, I think I need to let me comment out some stuff probably. Yeah, we'll comment out this just in case it breaks some stuff. Actually, no, I think it's fine. But yeah, we've done a little bit of the Gigachad mega memes. But yeah, I like making my own stuff for sure. A lot more than other things. Yeah. That is the real fun part of the development. So, you know what I think? I think it's like you've got the tools to make something, but if you don't utilize them for your own good, it's like, you know, you're missing out on the fun, man. Oh yeah, also yeah, we've got stretched Gigachad. I made a little onboarding screen last time. I need a new image for the background so he doesn't kind of stretch. But he's a long Gigachad. He's a long boy. He's a bit of a long boy. But yeah, this is what we've got so far. Yeah. This Friday I was given a big project to convert from .NET 4 to .NET 8. Oh dang, dude. Oh wait, that's old .NET style to newer one. Oh dang, that's pretty nice. Also, I didn't know you did like development for Star. That's pretty cool. A fellow developer. Oh, you fix that stretch? Oh yeah, I'll definitely fix it. Actually, I'm probably gonna add like a new image there. Yeah, because I only have the one like long boy, long. Yeah, this one Gigachad image is the only one I have in the project, but I'm gonna add a couple more that'll like look better with this aspect ratio for sure. Yeah. I should be able to finish this project this weekend. It won't be difficult. Oh, nice. It's good to get the goody things done, for sure. Yeah. You like to see it. You like to see it for sure. But yeah. Yeah, that's interesting that you're working on .NET stuff. I also do a little bit of the .NETs myself. Yeah, although it's not .NET 8. Like what I did, I guess technically like for work stuff, I'm doing like Java stuff. But I also did like .NET, but it was .NET 6. Yeah, it was not .NET 8. That is some newer style. Maybe we should upgrade. Yeah, we're kind of a little bit behind in that regard. But yeah, we like, I guess, yeah, a little bit of the .NET framework never hurts. But secretly, I'm big Apple fan. We do the iOS development in our free time. Yes, yes, we kind of wear a couple different hats, but that is the way of the game, man. Yeah, because I feel like languages aren't like too hard to pick up once you learn one. They're all pretty much the same. Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, especially like for like, because I did .NET in C Sharp, and if you know like Java, you pretty much know C Sharp. Like the languages are pretty like much the same. It's like especially those two. But yeah, we like to wear a couple different hats to do our own fun things. But yeah, that is the name of the game. But yeah, I think yeah, here's what we've got so far. We've got the big button, and we can access photos from Photo Library. So no, ideally, this would be like where you take your photo, and it'll give you back like Sigma score. Or you can also choose photo from library. But we don't do anything with it yet. Yeah. Yeah, one part is a class library. I wanted to merge it, but I should probably not. Oh, okay. A class library, huh? Oh yeah, the upload part. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking. Yeah, that would probably be a part of it. Yeah, because I need to make it right now. So whatever image you choose, like you can upload it, and then it'll show up like in this view, in this gallery view here, with like a Sigma score and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Do you have ClassLib separate in this project yet? Oh wait, what is that, like different frameworks and such? Yeah, I guess I don't know. It might not be organized in that kind of way. The way I organize my Swift projects, I have like I have these different like views, and then I do like like supporting files, random supporting files. Yeah, technically, I think the framework you're supposed to use for like Swift UI is called MVVM. It's supposed to be like model view model, but and we don't have any view models yet, or any models. We just have views right now, and like supporting constant files. But yeah, as far as like the libraries go, I think we just like we put them. Yeah, we just yoink them at the top. Yeah, I think. Are you referring to like, I think there's like CS project files in like C Sharp or .NET? Yeah, there isn't really like an equivalent for that in Swift. There's like, you can import stuff. I guess you can also do like package dependencies too. Like we imported a revenue cat, which was for like, we did in-app subscriptions. But yeah, I guess that's kind of similar to what you might be talking about. But yeah, well, that's the kind of stuff we've got. Yeah. Well, what would be a CS project file in this? Yeah, I guess just like a package. Yeah. There's like there's a thing called a Swift Package Manager, where you can like install like third-party or like first-party libraries, and they all show up under this like package dependencies thing at the bottom here. I think. Oh yeah, I guess there's also like frameworks we can do. We've got store kits. Yeah, SPM. That's right. Yeah, we've got SPM. Actually, I used to use a different framework or a different thing for that, like package managing, which was called CocoaPods. But it got deprecated like I think this year. So we're sticking to Swift Package Manager. Yeah. How do you designate your project to be a package? Actually, that's a good question for Star, because I haven't tried. Also, welcome Sputnik Plop. Yeah, are all projects packages? I don't think so for Star. I think you can like specifically designate your project a package. Although I've never actually tried it. I don't know. We should probably do a bit more like open source development in that regard. But yeah. Yeah. Also, yeah, I think my yippies are supposed to despawn. I think they haven't yet. I'll despawn a yippie, just for the sake of it. But yeah. Because the idea in .NET is that you want your class library to be its own thing. Then in your projects, that'll use the class lib. Just import that package for separation of concerns. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I don't think there isn't really that much like separation of it in the in the Swift world. Yeah, because I think there are like different like if I remember right, in like a .NET project, you can have like multiple um like projects within it which have their own dependencies. But in Swift, it's all kind of one big project. Yeah, yeah. So that way you remove functionality from your backend and front end and keep business logic in a class lib. Yeah, I don't think there's that much separation in Swift. It's all kind of amalgamated into one big project. Yeah, which is, I don't know, maybe not the best separation of the things, but yeah, that's kind of how it is. It's like it's not so much whatchamacalls. Like I don't think they don't have like separate files for it. It's all like kind of part of the same. Like you can import files and such, but it's not necessarily like you manage it as part of like a separate project. Yeah. Well, yep. But yeah, I'm kind of newer to like the whole SPM stuff, Swift Package Manager. I think this is like the first time, or maybe the second time I'm using it in a project, because I used to do everything in a Cocoa Pods. Yeah, let me show the Cocoa Pods. The like chocolate beans. Yeah, we like our little chocolate beans. Yeah, but this was the style that I used a lot, mostly. Yeah, Swift Package Manager is kind of more mature now, but at the time that I started using third-party dependencies in iOS, it was Cocoa Pods, which was like kind of the main thing. Yeah. So this is for like, yeah, Swift and Objective-C, but I think it's deprecated now. Yeah, they deprecated it like pretty recently. Yeah, maybe they've got like blog. Perhaps they discussed this. Yeah, like it's maintenance mode. Yeah, they're no longer supporting it. Yeah, so they're like, oh, use Swift Package Manager instead. But yeah, I'm pretty like newer to the SPM stuff because of this. Yeah, normally CocoaPods you can make like a Ruby file, and then you run this like CocoaPod command to install your dependencies. But yeah, the SPM stuff is kind of like built into the IDE, which is, I guess, easier. Yeah. Yeah, but that's what I was used to. The cocoa beans. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. There's like this theme of like chocolate in Swift, I guess. Yeah, because there's a Cocoa Touch was the original touch framework that I don't know, I think Mr. Steve Jobs invented that one, or like came up with the idea, the name, way back in the day, back when like people were first developing apps. There was Cocoa Touch, and now there's Cocoa Pods. It's like a third-party dependency thing. Yeah, a lot of chocolate beans, these kind of things. Yeah, I don't know. It's tasty. We like the tasty things. But yeah, we like it. Yeah, we like it. It's pretty good. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, we like the chocolate things. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Maybe chocolate covered apples. Maybe Cocoa Bean and Apple Fruit Company. We can get chocolate covered apple. Maybe that's what an app is. It's like a chocolate covered apple. Yeah, perhaps apps and app development is a very very tasty kind of development. Yes, we like this kind of thing. It is very good. But yeah, I'm a big fan of it. Yeah, that's like the newer thing, the SPM. Yeah, because I used to use Cocoa Pods like all the time, which was like when I started doing Apple development, which was back way back in 2016. I don't even think Swift Package Manager was a thing. Like there was only Cocoa Pods, and I think otherwise you had to like do some weird like manual integration of your dependencies. But and then SPM came out and it didn't have all the new like libraries, or it was very janky. But nowadays it's pretty like well established. It's pretty good. But yeah, that's what we like. We like the newer things. Yeah, even like this Swift UI is new. Like I guess now it's kind of a couple years old, but before they had a UI kit. which was like, instead of this whole declarative framework, this is imperative programming. Yeah, so you have to actually like manually type out your views and your settings for them, whereas like here you just like plop them in. Yeah, Swift and iOS development has changed a lot over the years. But yeah, it's been good. We've learned a lot, and definitely with the changes, we keep up with the goodies for sure. But I like it. It's a very good style. We like to see it. Yeah. But yeah, that's what we do. That's what we do around here. But yeah, here's what we've got with our Sigma Gigachad app so far. We've got some Sigma goodies. Yeah, like we've got gallery view for where we can show our uploaded images. So if we like take a picture of our face, it'll show up here. Well, we take it here, and then it'll come here, and we'll get like a little Sigma score where we can click on the image. Like right now we just have like a mewing score. Like mewing is 5 out of 10 or so. But I think we'll do other kind of scores, like how much looks maxing you've done. And this will all be with like AI. So I'm planning on like doing some AI thing to like get how much you mew and looks max. Yeah. For that I'm planning to look up like 100 images of like Gigachad or something, or of like mewing, to make like a ML model. We'll do something like this, but I think we'll get thoroughly gigapilled off of that. But yeah, definitely the Gigachad Sigma style for sure. Oh yeah, we also have settings too. Aside from pickup lines, we've got little settings. We can change color of background and thing. We've got some good stuff. Like we've got red background now. It is good style. Yeah. You like to see it. Although I don't think it saves right now. Yeah, we don't have our background saving. Let's get it to save, because if I were to like close out of the app and reopen it, yeah, I think our background stays gray. Well, let's try and make this like a saved setting that we can do. Yeah, let's work on that, I think. Yeah, so we can have it persistently. I think that'll be pretty good. But yeah, let's do this kind of style. So for that, to save like background color persistently, what we'll do is we'll use something called app storage, which is basically like, it's kind of like a little mini database on your phone where you can store the goodies and these kind of things. But yeah, we'll do the app storage deal, and we'll store our things persistently. I think it'll be pretty good. Yeah. Let's see. Let us investigate. So for app storage, yeah, I've got a sample here, but we'll basically need this kind of syntax. We've got app storage. We'll put like background color here, maybe. This will be color, I suppose. Maybe background color. And this will be of type color. And we need to initialize it to something. So we need some kind of color here. Yeah. So let's do like maybe like UI color or some. We'll do color thing. Maybe dot gray. Maybe that's better. Default color thing. Let's see. We've got initialization error. Oh wait, I think maybe I need to import this. Wait a minute. Do we need to do import thing? Import thing for app storage, perhaps. We've got things going on. View. Yeah. Well, let's see. I think it's probably this one. It doesn't like this. I could probably do something like this to get away with it. Perhaps optional thing. Let's see. Oh, we did a little flashbang. But yeah, we'll store our little colors. I think that'll be pretty good. Yeah, let me see if actually you can store it, because it's not a primitive. I'm worried maybe you can't store like colors in app storage. Yeah, let's check up on this, because it might not be so straightforward. Perhaps we need to do other kind of thing. Yeah, let's take a look. I'm seeing some things. I'm seeing related things about this. Let's take a little gander. Yeah, let's see. We'll take a look, because yeah, it looks like we might not be able to store our colors persistently unless we do some kind of magic. But that's what they're talking about here. So they're saying like use app storage with SwiftUI colors. Yeah, it's magic. Let's see what they've got. We've got app storage thing. Okay, that's what I thought. So it's not one of these types, so we gotta do something special. Okay. That's good to know. It's good to know. We'll keep that information in the noggin for the future. Yes. So how do we want to store colors? I think they're storing it as like a hex string or something, 64-bit thing. Integer. I see. So they're converting colors to integers. Alright, I guess we could do that. While you're working on this, I finished scheduling my content, living the VTuber life. Oh, nice, first hour. I look forward to catching one of your streams. I think, yeah, we like to do the VTuber thing, don't we? Yes, it is all about that. Yeah, you like to see it. You like to see it for sure. But yeah, good luck on the schedule thing. Yeah, I personally haven't made like a schedule myself, because I just stream at like the same hours every week. Yeah, but I don't know, maybe if we do more streams throughout the week, we'll make a whole little schedule thing, graphic thing. I don't know, it might be cool. But yeah, I've seen some schedules look pretty cool. Yeah. You like to see it. But yeah, let's see. We've got. They're doing this weird color magic. Yeah, right. Yeah, it is good style, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it is fun to live the tuba life. Yes. Yeah, you should do that. I'm surprised you don't have one. Can you not make a schedule because you don't have time? Oh, I could do it. Yeah, I guess I just haven't, because I'm like, I don't know, I guess, I only stream like really like twice a week. It doesn't feel, yeah, I don't know. I feel like it would be better if I like streamed more to have a schedule. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, I have it like on my Twitch thing. You can do like a schedule through the thing, but not like an actual like graphic yet. Yeah, I don't know. We might consider this. Yes, but yeah, perhaps a good idea, first tower. Yeah, perhaps so. Yeah. We might invest in the energies into this style. Yeah, I think that would be pretty good. Yeah. We still doing a little bit of learning. It's all good learning experience. We like to build incremental baby steps. Yeah. Well, yeah, I like doing it, doing the cool things. It is the good style. Well, yeah. Let's see. We've got the color thing. I think we can convert integer to color thing. I think that would be pretty good. Yeah, let's try it. Try this kind of style. They're doing a little bit of magic with the colors. Colorful magic. let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, they do some interesting business. Oh yeah, check this out. They're doing like they're doing color thing. Doing like oh wait a minute, they're doing blue thing, RGB thing. Oh my goodness. What the heck? I think we'll need to write an extension for this one. Yeah, let's do an extension for this actually. This will be for like converting integer to color deal, I think. Yeah, I think that'll be good. But yeah, let's check it out. So we've got converting thing. Yeah. I see how this works. So we got a pass color thing. So we'll do an extension to int. And this will be like we pass color and we return integer. Actually, this will be an extension to color then. Probably. Yeah. This will be like get like color as int maybe. Perhaps this kind of deal. But yeah, I think that'll work pretty good. But yeah. Here's a sample that we have. We've got some goodies. Yeah, so probably we want to do some like a little bit of magic in here. So this is like int. And then they've got this kind of deal. So I think we need to get like their color components. They're like RGB. Color red thing, green thing. Yeah, this kind of stuff is good. But yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I probably do need to make a schedule though. Yeah. Yeah, because I never like mention like what I'm gonna be planning for the stream until like right up until the stream. Yeah, whether it's like the mega gaming or the mega mobile app development. Yeah. Yeah, that would be better for like showing what I'm gonna be doing. Yeah. Yeah, getting a schedule helps you sleep too and guides you what you want to do and when. Also content and stuff. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea for a hour. Yeah, I think that would be pretty good. Yeah. I think so. I think that would be pretty good. Yeah, especially like planning stuff too. Yeah, because sometimes I'm like, oh, should I do the mega gaming or the mobile app dev and like what kind of stuff to work on? Yeah, I think it definitely helps with like even like planning yourself for sure. Yeah, I think that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, definitely. I would say so. Yeah. But yeah, I think so. But yeah, I kind of want to have like more like stream slots. I guess like for me personally, I can only really stream at these times. It's kind of it's weird. Yeah, we do like do the Fridays and the Saturdays. It is that kind of deal. A little slight restriction, but yeah, I think it would be good for like planning out like what to do on those slots. Yeah, for sure. I think that would be good. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's good. At least you're making content. Yeah, I appreciate it for Star. we make do with what we've got. Yeah, you can learn a lot. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. How long have you been streaming? I've been streaming. I guess I did a little mini debut thing way back in last November. So I guess it's been around like I don't know. Wait, what is that? Like 10-ish months of it? It's been about that long. But yeah, we've been doing the streaming thing for a little bit. A little bit. But definitely learning a little bit. Learning slowly, but getting some small things up and going along the way. But yeah, it's been pretty good, been pretty fun. Yeah, we like to do it. It is a good style, for sure. Oh yeah, I guess technically that's how long I've been streaming. I did like, I don't know, some sporadic streams before that in the dark ages, but those weren't really like real streams. Because I used to just randomly go live like way back in the day just to like clip when I get mounts in World of Warcraft. Yeah, because I wanted to like archive it, but yeah, that wasn't really like because I didn't have I didn't have any. It was just me streaming the screen. I didn't have like a mic or anything. But yeah, that was, I guess, original Dark Age streams. But like as Chuba, I guess it's been since like November last year. Yeah, but we've been doing it a little bit. But we like it. It is the good style. Yeah. And I've learned a lot. Even not only in like the VTubing and streaming sphere, but even like the apps that I'm building, like the mobile app stuff. Like I've been learning stuff there too. It has been a very good thing for putting the knowledge in the noggin, for sure. Yeah, we like it. It is good style. Yeah. But yeah, I quite like it. It is very good. Yeah, and I've got plans to add things to stream. Long term plans. Like we added little yippies at the bottom. Like I think in the stream before this one, and then little dancing friend in the bottom left. We added that this stream. Yeah, I love coding, and I'm glad I never lost my passion for it. But many people mess up on interviews. Just be a nice person. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah. And be personal and you have a good job. Yeah, right. That's true, First Hour. Yeah, because you can mess up on the interview, but you can still get the job if you're like nice to the interviewer. Because like for them, it's like, you know, they gotta hire you and they gotta work with you. So they want to work with someone that you know won't make them like pull their hair out. you gotta have friendly coworkers. That's for sure. Yeah, your little additions are so good. I appreciate it, First Hour. Yeah, I've got some other plans. I'm planning on doing like an overlay and have little place for the chat box and better notification things. Yeah, we've got some plans and also secret plan, but very long term. We'll do a little AI companion friend. I think that'll be good. A little friend next to me to help me answer the coding questions and do some chatting with. But that is long term. Secret plan. You heard it here. But we'll do it eventually. Yes. Hey, but I appreciate it. Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's the thing about coding interviews. You can really like you can do like okay on an interview, but if you're really nice to the interviewer, they might hire you. Because you can like ace an interview, right? But if you're like really mean to the interviewer, they probably won't hire you. Because that's the thing with like the coding interviews, right? Like usually there's also like a behavioral interview. If there's like multiple rounds, there's like maybe a couple technical interview rounds and then behavioral interview. But yeah, you gotta be nice and you've gotta be good at the coding thing. Have you heard of a personality hire? Oh, I haven't. First Hour. Is that? I'm guessing that's where you like you don't like ace it, but you've at least got like the personality. Yeah. You just have to work with people. Oh, you don't have to be the best. You just have to work with people. Many people don't like working with others in coding. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, because you can code in a box. You can join a company and never talk to your coworkers and code in a box. But you might get stuck on a bug. But maybe someone on your team like saw that bug like yesterday, and you just need to talk to them and to fix it. But if you never like reach out or like are open in that sense, then yeah, it can be kind of hard to fix the bugs, and generally just like get along with the coworkers. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely it is a whole dynamic. Yeah, it's good to be amiable and friendly with friends for sure. I would say, but yeah, definitely you gotta have kind of like at least some of each. Yeah, it's also about confidence. Yeah, that's true too. Yeah, you gotta have like you gotta be confident in your own abilities. Yeah, because if you go up to an interview and you're like, oh, I don't, like you say to the interviewer, like, oh, I don't think I'm the best at this, I'm gonna not do good, then they'll probably already have that in their mind as you're doing the coding thing. Yeah. Might affect how you get rated. Yeah. When you talk to management, they want people who can be able to do the job. If you're asocial, then many people will be worried about the project. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because that's another thing, like, I guess in the field of, like, software engineering or, like, programming, it's not all just coding. Like, a lot of times you have to do, like, design and, like, make design diagrams of, like, software architecture. And, like, if you don't talk, then, like, you know, how can you discuss a design as a team? It's not really, you know, it's not all the coding thing. Like, sometimes the repos aren't built yet. You gotta figure out how to make the thing first. Yeah, definitely. I agree with that first hour. There's definitely you gotta be at least somewhat social to be able to build the things and get the job for sure. Yeah. I would say so. Yeah, maybe a little less so if you've got like a remote job though. If you're able to work remote, maybe you can hide your social skills. But yeah, at least you still gotta be like somewhat. You gotta be nice. You still gotta be nice. It's always good to be nice. There's nothing wrong with being nice. Yeah, very few disadvantages if any. Yeah, it's good to be a friendly friend, I would say. Yeah. Also, a slight BRB. We do a little water break, a little one. All right, we back from Waterworld. Hydrate. Yeah, that's right. First hour. Yeah, I'm not used to like. I don't know. I'll kind of give away the bag a little bit, but I don't usually like talk a whole lot generally like throughout the day. Maybe a little bit at like work, but like streaming is definitely like where I talk the most. So my voice goes out really quickly without the waters. We gotta practice a little bit, I think. But yeah, we gotta drink the waters. I don't know. Maybe that's just like a general thing. Maybe it's not just like. I think if you just talk a lot in general, like I think eventually your voice will give out. You gotta drink the waters. That's why they always have like if they're doing like if people are doing debates or speeches, they have like water bottles next to them. Yeah. Even if you're a skilled speaker, you still gotta hydrate. Yeah, for sure. I would say so. But yeah. Yeah, those are definitely good points first hour. Yeah. Yeah, because I'll even admit, like, even, like, the current position I have as like, we are coder man. Yeah, I didn't get, like, 100% on the technical interview. But I was able to, like, yeah, I was pretty, like, friendly with the people. And yeah, that is how we got in, man. Yeah, we demonstrated that we were able to program and somewhat effectively. Not like we weren't like god at it, but you know, if you're friendly and you're good to work with, it also helps. It gives you plus points in the behavioral world. Yeah, the behavioral rating perhaps. Yeah. One of the major reasons why personality is good is because of conflict. Yeah, that's another thing. Like if you end up having like to like be in a situation in your job where you're like conflicting with someone, then have the ability to handle that in a professional manner goes a long way. Because yeah, people will look on that like pretty favorably if you're not like losing the marbles when these things occur. Yeah. I've been in many meetings where engineers are fighting about topics, sometimes not even about the project. Yeah, yeah, that's another thing about like software engineering. Everyone's got their own opinion on something. Like the best framework to use, what design to do. There's always like conflicts are actually pretty like disagreements are very common in the programming world. Yeah. In my last position, 2 of the senior devs had many arguments over AI. It was very petty. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it's also good to just like agree with someone. Especially like if your viewpoint isn't like too much different than theirs, or there isn't like actual like, because you got to think about it also in terms of like metrics. Like, you know, how much is the company having to pay to implement your design or use this framework, you know, in terms of like monies, or like, you know, if the user has to wait on a page for a certain X amount of seconds, like these are the important metrics that matter. And if like whatever idea you're proposing isn't really like pushing that forward, then it might just be beneficial to agree with the other person's idea. I would say best to avoid the conflicts and be a pacifist if possible, I would say. Yeah, I'm a little bit like that, but yeah, it's good though, because I feel like the more disagreeable you are as a person, the less like likable you are. Yeah, I think there's some truth to that. Yeah, yeah, because I don't know, I feel like no one really likes someone who always disagrees or argues. It's good to, I mean, it's good to have an open mind to see someone else's perspective and where they're coming from, like why they propose a certain method of doing something. Like they might be coming from somewhere, some viewpoint that you haven't seen, and you know, keeping your brain open to like why they came to that point of thought and rationalization uh, can make you have a more open perspective. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we're getting a little philosophical. Yes, these are the musings, the ponderings of the thoughts in the dynamic world of a business environment. Yes. Yes, very, very complex nuances in the interactions. Yeah. For me, I'm very flexible. Yeah, that's good for Star. That's good to be flexible. Yeah. I don't really care too much about what to use as long as it works and it's modular, right? Yeah, it doesn't like, because that's another thing about like say like programming languages, for example. Like, no matter what programming language you use, you're probably gonna get something done. I mean, like the programming languages don't really differ all that much. Like, yeah, that's something that's not really like, you know, it doesn't really matter a whole lot at the end of the day. Yeah. The biggest thing is following OOP. Yeah, that's another thing for Star. Yeah, that's like the most commonly used pattern in the programming sphere. Yeah, the OOP. So, and like pretty much most modern languages support that. Like, you know, your Javas, your C Sharps, even Swift. Yeah, I mean, as long as you're doing kind of what everyone else does, the industry standard, you're not going against the grain. That's kind of like the main thing, really, because that's what everyone's used to. Yeah, if you try and like do something out of the box, then, you know, you might not find a whole lot of people who know how to do that thing, and you might limit yourself in the kind of engineers you can hire. Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, it's good to follow what everyone else is doing. Yeah, yeah, I would say so. Yeah, I try and like think about that too when I'm like making apps. I'm like, you know, how should I design how the app looks? Maybe I should just look at a bunch of other apps and see how they're doing it. Yeah, because there's like very common things in different apps. Yeah, different types of buttons and tabs and scrolly bits. Yeah. Yeah, I've learned functional programming, but I'm not a fan really. Yeah, I'm not like, I'll say I took a course in the colleges. I did a functional programming. Actually, it was a course called like programming languages, and you did like it was half of the semester was like you learned and used a functional language, and the other half was like OOP, but like more kind of like in-depth like reflection and these kind of topics. But yeah, I did like Haskell for like about like actually it was ended up being like 3/4 of the semester I did Haskell, and that was my first time using a functional language, and it was I don't know, man. Like I know some people who really like functional languages, and they're big fans, and that's what they use. But me using it for the first time, coming from like having done like OOP and those kind of languages for like years, and doing like Haskell for the first time, it was like I felt like dipping my toes in lava, dude. It was like I don't know, it was definitely pretty new, and I was not. I guess I wasn't a fan because I wasn't used to it. It was a very different way of thinking. Because like at least like with Haskell, it's like you use recursion for everything. It's not and like the way the syntax is, it's not like var x equals the thing, and like make method with parameters. It's like the syntax is completely different. It's like and there's no like loops and such. It's a different way of thinking and writing code. Like I'm sure I'd like it if I was exposed to it more, but yeah, it was very new. Yeah. Yeah, one of the features of OOP is readability, because it's very standardized with functional programming. There are many patterns that seem to not follow standards. Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know that about functional programming, that there weren't like that many standards. I guess that makes sense, because like I feel like the functional languages that are out there are fairly different from each other. Yeah. Like I think like I don't know, I think like Scala is one and Haskell's one, maybe like Lisp. But from what I've seen from the format, like the syntax there, it's quite different, each of them. Yeah. Yeah. I think FP is harder to understand than OOP. Yeah, I'd definitely agree with you there, First Hour. Like, I can't imagine my first programming language, being like a functional programming language. Like, that probably would have turned me off of programming altogether. If like, because my first programming language I learned was Java. If it was like Haskell, I don't know, man. I don't know if I would have kept programming. That would have been like, I don't know, that's like jumping into the deep end of the water with when you're like a toddler with floaties. It's like, it's not very good. Yeah. OOP is very intuitive by modeling objects as real things, right? Yeah, because you've got like literal like objects, and they're things, and they have properties, and they do things, they do methods. So it's very kind of translatable to the real world. I remember when I was learning Java, the classic example was like, oh, you have a vehicle class, and maybe vehicle is the parent object of car and motorcycle, and car has 4 wheels, but motorcycle has 2 wheels, and they have, each of them have their own max speed or miles. It's like, it's pretty, you can make examples out of OOP and objects pretty easily. Whereas like with functional programming, it's a bit more abstract in a way. Yeah. Yeah, it does not come naturally. I'd definitely say functional programming, in my opinion, would be like best to learn after OOP. Yeah. Unless you're just like absolutely cracked. Unless topics just come naturally to you. Yeah, at least for me, I gotta spend a lot of time learning something and practicing it before I really understand it at a fundamental level. Yeah. I know some people it just comes pretty naturally. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, definitely, yeah. I've done a whole lot more OOP than functional stuff. Yeah, that Haskell experience in the colleges for like 3/4 of a semester was my only functional programming experience. Yeah, after that I did not continue with it. Yeah. perhaps to some dismay. I don't know, maybe I would have learned some more things, but yeah, a lot of it slipped out of the minds after the class. Yes. But probably because we just kept doing iOS mobile app development. Yeah, and that we've got a lot of brain things for it. Yeah, a lot of knowledge is in the brains for that, because I quite like it. It's enjoyable. But yeah, there's a whole other world out there in the programming sphere with the FP versus the OOP. It is a whole different dynamic, for sure. Yeah. But yeah, it's good to have different perspectives, I guess. It was fun learning what it was and how it works, at least so that I know what it is, and that there are alternatives to the standard. Yeah, for sure. Good to be exposed outside of the bubble, even if for a bit. Yeah. But yeah, let's see. We've got let's check about color thing. We were doing some color thing. I don't know how to go about this. We've got color thing. Access RGB of color. RGB of color thing. Yeah. Let's check it out. I'm seeing a solution. iOS 17. Yoicks. I am making this app for iOS 16 and up. Oh my goodness, this is gross. Oh my goodness. Actually, I like this solution. I just found something. I found something online for maybe what solution we're trying to do with the color business. Yeah, we've got this kind of deal. Just yoinked some code. So yeah, what is this? This is color.thing. Color thing. They're doing thing and such. Return thing. Yes. Does this work? Let's see. If I were to do this, it doesn't know what color is. Uh-oh. That's not good. I think we need to import SwiftUI. I think that's where color comes from. Alright, there we go. What's this? Color dot. Idea. I've got idea. Let's yoink some things. There we go. I did a little bit of yoinking. Now let's see, what is this? Cannot convert value of CG float to int. Okay, so I guess we just gotta like... I mean, I could just make this a CG float. I could do this. And then, oh, okay, I do need this to be an int. So we're doing binary operations. Yeah. I'm gonna focus on mahjong, then sleep. Good night. Hey, thanks for stopping by, First Hour. Have fun with the mahjongs, the mega jongs. Yeah, it's fun having you. But yeah. We'll check out Gigachad Sigma app stuff. Yeah. Well, let's see. We've got color thing. We're checking out colors. What is color style? We've got, what have we got? Binary operation thing on float. We need to convert to int. This is array of float. What the heck? Wait a minute. Wait a skibbity moment. Oh, this is RGB. Okay, so I think I gotta do like this. This is red. And this is blue. That's green actually. And here is blue. I think this is how it works. And then, yeah, let's force unwrap perhaps. We do a little bit of force unwrapping. and see. Let's see, we've got function operator thing on binary integer requires CG float. Okay, now I think we can convert this to an int. Force cast it. I think that'll fix our problem. It's a whole lot of sandwich of types and extracting of values. But I think we've got it. Wait, let's see. We've got cannot convert int to siege float. Okay, now this becomes int. Okay. I think we've got it. that was pretty big. That was a pretty long line of code for converting a color to a number. Kinda go figure. How does that work anyway? We've got color thing as number. Oh wait, also we need to perform some math on this actually. We need to convert it to an actual like a thingamajig. So yeah, we need to do a little bit of this. A little bit of this kind of action. Yes. Yeah, like this? I think so. I think this is better. Yeah, I would say so. Let's see. What else have we got? Yeah, so that should be like color as integer. Alright, now we can use this. Oh no, wait, there's another function we need to convert this back to a color. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's do this kind of style. So, let's see. What's this hex? Self. Does this work? Let's see. I've got this kind of weird stuff dividing by a hex value. That's kind of wacky. Yeah, also let's see if we can We need a binding variable there. We have app storage. Let's investigate. I think this is related to that article we were looking at. Let's go back to article. We put the words in the brain. So we've got this kind of stuff already. What have they done? They've done NS keyed archiver. Okay, archiving data. This is kind of old style. How are they using this? Are they using binding? Maybe. Color picker with selection stored color. Oh! Wait, we can just put a $sign in front of this, I think. And it should be alright. Alright, that kind of makes it easier. Well, let's see. Right? Oh no, this already has a $sign. Oh, but we don't have that variable. We just need... We made a new one called background color. Oh wait. But it still doesn't quite like it. I think we need to do this. Perhaps. Int as color is a get only property. Oh, okay. I see a problem. I see a problem. I've got an idea. I've got a remedy. So we store thing as gray, right? And then we convert it later. I think this is the way. Perhaps color dot thing. Oh no, yeah, this does have to be an int, right? Okay. Wait, so how did they do it in the other thing? They did color thing app storage. Wait a minute. Oh, I know why they're doing this, actually. Wait, this is kind of crazy style. I know what they're doing. This is the power of Swift extensions. So instead of like converting from color to int and back, oh, bro, I should have read the whole article. Or they're like, let's do this, but they actually didn't go with this approach. Bruh. They went with this approach, where they're basically converting color to this, having it conform to this raw representable value to encode it as a data object. And then they can store it in app storage. Okay. Oh, we can go with that then. That makes more sense. So then they can do this, they can do app storage with color, because color is data. Okay. No messing around with color components. NS keyed archiver and archiver no bit shifting. Yeah, this is a much better solution. Yeah, we'll go with this then. I think this makes sense. We'll just yoink their extension then. And use this NS keyed archiver and unarchiver. Yeah, I'm not very good at reading. That's when we fall into traps like that. A little bit. So let's try and make sense of this code before we just run with it, because I want to understand for the brains. Yeah. So, I think that's what that is. So raw representable converts it to a data object. And data is what we need to store in app storage. And they're using NSKeyed archiver. Oh, I see. So they encode it into base 64. A raw value, which is a string. So you can init colors with raw values? Is that a thing? I was not aware. I suppose. I guess so. It would seem so. Alright. So we've got that. What else do we have? So they get string value, encode it to base 64. If it doesn't encode, they just force it to be black. Then they get the encoded value. They unarchive it. Unarchive thing. Otherwise black. Raw value. Archive it. And encode it to base 64. Return this as string. Okay. Alright, so it's just like there's a raw value. They're using it as a string. And this becomes color and also data. Okay, I think that makes sense. So now let's see if we can actually store data as, or color as data. Yeah, let's take a gander. See if this is a possibility now. So we go back to settings. So can I do this? Can I say color here? Is this a thing? I can. So it does work. Nice. That's a cool thing about Swift. They have extensions and you can overwrite the functionality of a type to do things like that. That's pretty nice. So now we don't have to mess with like hex values and bit shifting of integers to colors and the like. Oh, but we have error. Oh, okay. That's why. That's fine. Yeah, we don't need this anymore actually. So now let's see if this works. So now I've saved this to like orange. Actually I'll have to test in my simulator. Let me pull it up. Let's see. So I change this to yellow or something, and then I close out of the app and I reopen it. It stays yellow. There it is, man. That's the power of persistent storage. So even if you stop the program, we still save the data. We save our color selection. Yeah, nice. Okay, we did some color magic then. We learned a little bit about types and data and the stuff while we did it. So we learned a bit too. Very nice. Alright, that's pretty good. So, now let's use this color across the app. This app storage value. So now we don't really need a whole lot of other references. We just need... we need to pull the value now. Pull app storage value. So yeah, we'll do this. We'll get reference to app storage up here. This will be our background color. This is defaulted to gray. And we'll just stick this wherever we need it. Very nice. Oh, okay, we can't use fill on it. Okay. I guess that works. Nice. I like this contrast. That's pretty. And yeah, now let's work on, I wanted to change the background color of this view, but I didn't know how to. So I did a little bit of searching, and friend that we normally go to for the iOS stuff, Code with Chris, actually had a short about this. So it was pretty relevant. I ended up just like randomly seeing his short about it a couple of days ago, and I'm like, hey, wait a minute, I'm working on this. I need this. But yeah, if we want to change the background of this kind of like list style, we can't just put a background color on it. We first need to do this. We need to do, and this was his short thing, we need to do scroll content background visibility hidden to take away the default background on list, because otherwise the list provides its own background color that we need to override. But now that we've done this, our special line that Mr. Friend Chris helped with, now we can do background with color, with our background color. Very nice. Cool. Yeah, I was pretty surprised. There was like a short about this. Maybe I should give credit to the short. It's like, yeah, I don't know. Well, I'll just say it's out there. Yeah, on Code with Chris, his channel, he did short on this line of code, which was very, very relevant to what we were doing. But yeah, now we can change this background too, in real time. Oh wait, did it save this time? Wait, we're only changed it once that time. Oh wait, we have a bug. Oh dear. I think I know why. So we update the value. Where do we update this value? Here, selection color picker. But we don't actually set the value. I think we need to set it. Yeah. There's a bit more nuance involved. Let's see. So... Unless we need this. No, not quite. Let's see. Oh wait, it worked that time. What the heck? Maybe because we refreshed the view. Let's rerun our app then. See if it actually works outside of the preview. Okay, yeah, it was just a preview thing. Nice. Multicolored background. Ah, this is nice. See, the good thing about this is I can test it on the fly like this. I think in UI Kit World, this would have, I had to like rebuild it each time or something. It's very quick with the new Swift UI. Very nice. I quite like that. Nice quality of life setting that we can change. Go with the marine green camouflage app. Yeah, Sigma. Welcome, Fluffy Jester. Yeah, we like the Sigma style. Yeah, we're making an extra Sigma app this time. with Gigachad. And he's gonna tell us how Sigma we are. Yeah. We've got mewing score. We're gonna add like a score for how much we're looks maxing. And all of these scores combined will determine how Sigma we are. Yes, that is the name of the game. That is the name of the app. We are making Giga Riz. Yeah, so we've got this feature where you can like take a picture of yourself and get like a score. And then we have pickup lines, so you can improve your pickup lines and become extra Sigma. What happened to your brain, bro, to go down this rotted path? Yeah, Fluffy Jester, we've fallen down the beaten path, and now our brain is thoroughly melted. Yeah, we went from, what was it, Skibbity Toilet Candy Crush, and now we're doing Gigachad Sigma app. Yeah, I don't know, I think that making these apps has not been good for our brain. We have thoroughly brain rotted our brains. So now we're just gonna end up making really big meme brain rot apps. Yeah, well, that's all the more fun. A little bit of brain rot never hurts. But yeah, you like to see it. Big mega meme style. But yeah, we like it. We like the mega memes, the mega big memes. Yeah. But this one I'm actually planning on putting on the App Store eventually. Eventually this will become an App Store app where you too can get your own Sigma rating. Yes, and you can see where your Sigma is being scored, whether it be looks maxing or mewing or one of these values. Yeah, but yes, this is the next App Store app project. So it'll be a bit of a longer series as we prepare to get it for the App Store. Yeah, I bet I would be rated Sigma, not Beta. I think so too, Fluffy Jester. You seem pretty Sigma to me. Yeah, I think you would get quite a high score. Yeah, I'm planning on rating it out of like 10. Yeah, I think you'll do pretty good, Fluffy Jester. Get extra Sigma style. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty good. But yeah, we've still got a couple things we want to put in. Like the whole rating feature we haven't done that yet. We need some kind of like AI for that. I wanted to make this little pickup line view a little different. Maybe make it look a bit prettier. Yeah, I guess we can work on that. But yeah, that's what we've got planned. Extra Sigma style. Yeah, but best not to get Beta. Yeah, we'll do some kind of ranking. So like you'll get a score out of 10. And if it's like, I don't know, maybe like higher than 8, you'll be like Sigma. Or if it's like 6 to 8, maybe you'll be like Alpha. And maybe below that we'll do like Beta. Although I heard there was something below even Beta. I think there's even below Beta is Omega. I think Omega is worse than Beta. Maybe we'll have an Omega rating if you're like maybe 0 to like 4 or something. Yeah, that is kind of the worst on the wolf pile. So you can become Alpha Wolf or Sigma Wolf or Omega Wolf at the bottom. Yeah, best to be Sigma though. Sigma or Alpha, I would say. But That might be a possibility. Maybe someone will get Omega. Oh no. But it doesn't sound that bad actually. If you get a 1, make it just the nerd emoji. That's a good idea, Fluffy Jester. Yeah, if you get like a 0 or a 1, maybe you'll just be like big nerd. Yeah, because the true Sigma alpha males or females, either or, those Sigma and alphas, they're the big chads. They're not the nerds. Yeah, one must learn to look Max and Mew to be a true Sigma alpha male. That is the way of the game, man. Yeah, I would say so. But yeah, these are our plans. These are our plans for the big memes and the like. Yeah, I'm also planning on making it like a subscription app, because I want to learn how to do subscriptions. Yeah, not that I want to make it like expensive. There'll be like a free tier where you can use the app, but if you use it a lot, then we'll do little subscription style, where you do a little payments thing. But yeah, we won't. I'm not trying to be greedy. I just wanted to learn how to do subscriptions. Oh, we'll try this kind of style. Maybe if you use the Sigma app more than like a couple times, it'll lock you out or something. I don't know. We'll think about how we want to use that subscription stuff. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe you'll be a premium Giga Riz subscription member by using the thing a lot. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, definitely we like the Sigma things. We like a little bit of brain rot. But what's an app without a little bit of brain rot, you know? Just a little dash of the skibbities or the Sigmas, the Gigachads, and you make quite a special concoction. Yeah, you like to see it, man. It is the good style. Yeah, true. Yeah, you know what's up, Fluffy Jester. Just a little dash of brain rot makes it spices things up a little bit. Yes, that is the way. Well, yeah, let's check it out. Let's do some Sigma skibbity things. Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to change how this pickup line thing looks right now. I don't really like it how it looks right now. It's like the idea is you can like enter in a pickup line, like, oh, this is my pickup line, and you enter it, and then it'll use like AI to give you a better pickup line based on what you entered. But I don't know, the way this whole view looks, it doesn't look the best. I think we can make it look prettier. We can add like tabs and things and make it look all around a bit better, I think. So let's try and work on that. But yeah, a true Sigma knows how to have a good pickup line. Yeah, that's the idea with that. A Sigma person is able to have a lot of Sigma Riz, and you gotta have pickup line abilities to have Riz, right? Yes, extra skibbity Riz, perhaps. A little bit of skibbity Riz, maybe will be pretty good. But yeah, let's do some Sigma mobile app development. Yeah, I think. Oh yeah, I wanted to do like for that like view. I wanted to do like some extra things. Actually, I'll put like the mobile app thing on the side, maybe just like a side by side comparison, so we can kind of show what all we're doing. Yeah, I'll put it like here. Yeah, maybe so. So I'm gonna try and change the view. Instead of looking at like the left, I want these little tab things on the right. Like create, like you can have create pickup line. And then this history one will be like all the ones you did before. So you can always look back at what pickup lines you had. But we'll do it in these like little tabs. I think that'll look a little better, but instead of like what we have on the left. So let's do that. Let's see how we can do it. Yeah, I yoinked someone's code because they already had this kind of deal, which is kind of what we want. But let's see if we can use it. We can use the yoinked code. Yeah, let's check it out. Let us see. Yeah. Because we've got tab thing. We've got cool looking tab thing. But yeah, I like the Sigma Skibbity apps with extra Sigma Riz sprinkled on top. Yeah, because I'm like, if I wanna make a Sigma Gigachad app, what is something a Sigma needs to become extra Sigma? You need pickup line abilities. You need to be able to like rate yourself on a scale of 0 to 10 or 1 to 10 how Sigma you are. So you always have an update of, maybe on a given day I'm a 7 out of 10 Sigma rating. But if I check tomorrow after doing some mewing or looks maxing, I'll be an 8. Yeah, it's kind of like a little, this app is like a little toolkit, a little repertoire for becoming more Sigma. Yeah, that's the idea with the app. It is extra skibbity Sigma Riz style. But yeah, we'll make it look pretty though. We'll do little tab things, make it look a little better, I think. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's try it. So I've got thing, I've got idea for thing. We'll hide our little simulator here. And I think this is actually done. We don't really need to modify it all that much. Maybe this foreground color if we ever want to change it. And with the color that they store. But yeah, let's instead do other kind of style. So in pickup lines view, instead of this whole business that we've got, also RIP the musics. Right, I ain't buying a YouTube subscription, bruh. We just unpause the videos, bruh. They're so kind of anti-Sigma for that. And they purposely pause your videos so you buy their YouTube Premium. I guess maybe I'm a bit guilty of that because I'm putting a subscription in my own app. But I don't know, the way they do it, they purposefully make it like kind of bothersome not to be a subscriber. We've got our subscription here in our own app. Yeah. A little bit guilty perhaps. But yeah, let's do the thing. Let's do some cool stuff. Let's change out this view with the tabs. I think that'll look good. So with this Z stack here, I don't know if we still need this actually. Let's see. So now we need to return some view. So, what is the view we want to return? Oh, this needs to go up here actually. Selected tab. And then, what shall we put? Let's do some skibbity styles. So, like, I see their example for using this view. They use it with navigation view and VStack. Oh, I get it. I get what they're doing. So they also have init here. init. They're initializing UI navigation tab bar appearances. And then they do navigation view. Okay. Let me yoink their code again. A little bit of yoinking is required. So now they have these subviews. So what do we want to put here for testing? I guess maybe we can put our onboarding views for testing. Onboarding first page. With the tags. And second page. Like so. I think that'll be better. Yoink. Yeah, that's right, Fluffy Gesture. We're kind of, I don't know, programming is kind of like a yoinking, a little bit of a yoinking style. Because, you know, it's better to, if someone's already done something, just to do a little bit of yoinking of their code. Yeah, because as the old adage goes, don't try and reinvent the wheel. If the wheel is already out there, you do a little bit of yoinking, just a little bit of, you know, you take a little pinch of the code and you dash it on your project. A little bit of yoink. But yeah, we like it. We like it. It's good. Well, let's see if what we yoinked actually works. Because we're just kind of plopping it in our project without really thinking about it all that much. We gotta really make sure this is what we need. So let's see. This pickup line thing. They don't want to do color thing. Let's see. We've got some interesting things going on. View of thing. Alright. This looks kind of alright to me. Let's see what else we've got going on. Yeah, they don't like this. What if I just did like nothing here? I feel like I need something though. Let me comment this out better. We don't need color. So how does this look? Let's see. How does this look? If I go to my pickup line view. Oh, look at that. We can swipe between the things. It's super scuffed, look at that. The tabs are at the top. Wait, is that what I wanted? Now that I think about it, what did I expect? Because I guess you can put the tabs below this little black notch, right? But there would be some black space at the top. Okay, I guess we can like push it down a little bit maybe. Maybe that would be better. Yeah, let's see if we can push it down a little bit. Maybe just a little bit. But we'll have to kind of unravel this code here to do this. Let's see. Actually, I have an idea. I have possibly an idea which involves this. Ooh, there we go. Now that's better. That is the Sigma way, man. That's one line fixer. You like to see it. You like to see it. So this is kind of what I envisioned. Although, there is a problem. There is a problem where the other tab thing isn't at the bottom. Wait, let me run this in simulator. See if it's doing the same thing. Maybe it's just a preview thing. Because we don't have our root view. Let's see. Let us investigate. We do a little bit of experimentation. Here's Mr. Stretched Out Chad. It's kind of like our onboarding view. When you first open the app, you'll see this. But I'm gonna use a different image here because it's all stretched. We're gonna do a different one. Yeah. Let's see this pickup line. Oh, okay, yeah, the tabs are still at the bottom. Oh, but look at that. It messed up the other views. I see. This is kind of what I want, though. Also, there's like an extra books one. That's interesting. Yeah, there's a couple bugs we need to fix. A couple. Especially like this white background. I think I know what's causing this. But yeah, we need to get rid of this books thing that we can't swipe to. It's kind of all on its own. That's kind of wacky style, actually. And then we need to fix this, the code causing this other view to be all kind of all shrunken down. I think I know what's causing this. I have an idea. But I don't know if I like it. Let's see. I think the code is with this. This kind of stuff. Also, let's get rid of the books here. And use the examples we had before. Which was... what did we have? We had these two. Pencil and book. Let's yoink these back. Alright. This is pretty skibbity, pretty Sigma. I think we're getting some progress done. Yeah, now we've got create and we've got history. So like create will be where you can create your pickup line and AI will tell you what is the better pickup line. Oh wait, did we freeze? I think we might have froze. Wait a minute. Wait a skibbity moment. Wait, we're a bit frozen. Uno momento. While we fix our frozen self. Yes. We will fix. One sec. We'll go to the nether regions. We'll go to netherworld. Just for a moment. But yeah, I think that's what it is. I think that's what it is, man. We've got crazy style. But yeah, it is causing some cropping at the top. That's what I think. Yeah. Oh, we've got weird skibbity things going on, man. I think I have a solution. But we are in the netherworld right now. A little bit. Let's see. But yeah, we like to do the skibbity things. Wacky style though. Let's check it out. Are we good? Are we better? I think we're better now. I think so. Wait a skibbity moment. Wait just a doshgarn skibbity second. I think we are thoroughly in the nether in Minecraft right now. Exploring some methods to fight some friends. Yeah, I don't know, this is weird style going on. There's mega weird style. Yeah. I think we might need to end a bit early. I don't know, we have a weird bug going on with yourself truly. We have awkward bug. Unfortunate, perhaps. We'll try and debug it though. Yeah, at least maybe I can intro out, but look kind of straight on. It'll be weird style. But yeah, let's show this. Yeah, we're kind of stuck a little bit, but yeah, we'll go out. We're a bit frozen, a little bit of a hiccup. But yeah, I think we'll probably end a little bit there. But yeah, thanks friends for coming. We got some cool progress done on the Sigma apps. We got cool skibbity giga-riz Sigma style with our tabs here, and we fixed our colors. Our color in our setting thing now applies pretty persistently. Yeah, it's good style. But yeah, I think we'll probably wrap it up there. Yeah, a little bit of a shorter one, but thanks for coming out. We do the big mobile app development thing, and we do also mega gaming. We do both. We put on different hats depending on how we feel. But yeah, we'll probably wrap it up. I don't know. Should we raid into somebody? Maybe we'll check someone out. I see. Oh, here's a name I haven't. We'll check him out. But friend, I think in the similar sphere, Mr. Crazy Kitten. Perhaps we'll check him out. But what do you think? He also does software and game dev, quite like us. But I think we'll pay him a visit. Yeah, let's send him a warm welcome. But yeah, thanks for coming around, coming about, and we'll pay our friend the Crazy Kitten some warm welcome. Yeah. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow at 8 p.m. Pacific, perhaps with some more mobile app development or some mega gaming. But I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, we'll catch you on the flip side. If I don't see you then, take care, and bye-bye. Let's check out Crazy Kitty, see what he's doing. Yeah.